Good morning, students. In this lecture we will see about the types of failure in tension member. Myself, Dr. J. Sahayaruban, Professor and Head, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Let us go to the types of failure in tension member. From the Codal Provision IS 800-2007, Section 6, page number 32 is clearly mentioned about the tension member and its failures. Let us see about the cross section of yielding. Generally, a tension member without bolt hole can resist load up to the ultimate load without failure. But such a member will deform in the longitudinal direction considerably before the fracture. Nearly it is 10 to 15% of its original length. At such a large deformation, a structure becomes unserviceable. From the IS 800-2007, the cross section yielding TDG is calculated by AGFy divided by gamma M0, where T is the factor design tension, TD is the design strength, AG is the gross area of the cross section in mm square, Fy is the yield strength of the material in Newton per mm square, gamma M0 is the safety factor. The value is equal to 1.1. Next, net section rupture. When a tension member with a hole is loaded statically, the point adjacent to the hole reaches the yield stress first. On further loading, the stress at that point remains constant at yield stresses, and each fiber away from the hole progressively reaches the yield stresses. So the deformation continues with increasing load until finally rupture of member occur when the entire net cross section area of the member reaches the ultimate stresses. From IS 800-2007, the design strength due to net section rupture of plates is given by TDN is equal to 0.9 ANFU divided by gamma ml, where TDN is equal to design strength in fracture, gamma ml is a partial safety factor, the value is equal to 1.25, AN is the net effective area of the cross section in mm square, Fu is the ultimate strength of the material in Newton per mm square. In some of the cases, the bolts were arranged in a staggered manner. The net area AN is calculated by B minus NDH plus summation of I PSI square divided by 4GI into T. So where B and T we know within thickness of the plate, and DN is the diameter of the bolt hole, G is the gauge length of the bolt hole, and PS is the staggered pitch length between the line of bolt hole, and N is a number of bolt hole in a critical section. I is the subscript of summation of all the inclined legs. So when the bolt is arranged like a staggered manner, you have to calculate by using this formula. Let us see about the tearing strength of the angle section. The tearing strength of the angle section is connected through one leg, is affected by shear lag also. The design strength TDN governed by the tearing at net section is given by TDN is equal to 0.9 ANCFU divided by gamma ml plus beta AG0 Fy divided by gamma M0, where AMC is equal to net area of the connected leg and AG0 is equal to gross area of the outstanding leg. The beta value is calculated by 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T into Fy divided by Fu into Bs divided by Lc. That value is less than or equal to Fu gamma M0 divided by Fy gamma ml, or the value is greater than or equal to 0.7, where W is equal to outstanding leg width and Bs is equal to shear lag B. For preliminary sizing, the rupture strength of the net section may be approximately taken as TDN is equal to alpha ANFE divided by gamma ml, where alpha is equal to 0.6 for 1 or 2 bolts, 0.7 for 3 bolt, and 0.8 for 4 and more bolt along the length end connection or equivalent weld length. The T is the thickness of the leg. Next we see about the black shear in tension member. This is clearly given in IS 800 2007 page number 33 of class 6.4, design strength due to black shear. Black shear is in some ways similar to the tension rupture in that the main part of the member tear away from the connection. So in the picture is clearly show that connection is removed from the actual place. This is actually tension area, this is the shear area. So that black shear is the similar to the tension rupture is that the main part of the member tear away from the connection. Next we will see about the black shear strength calculation for bolted connection. The TDB value is calculated by using these two equations. We have to take that bolt shear strength by taking the smaller value of these two formula. That is TDB is equal to AVGFY divided by square root of 3 gamma m0 plus 0.9 ATN FU divided by gamma ml, where AVG is equal to minimum gross and net area in shear along bolt line parallel to the external force. Then ATN is equal to minimum gross and net area in the tension from the bolt hole to the toe of the angle end bolt line perpendicular to the line of force. Then TDB is equal to 0.9 AVN FU divided by square root of 3 gamma ml plus ATG FY divided by gamma m0. So already we discussed about AVG, AVN same like AVG, like ATG and ATN is same. For a welded connection, that black shear strength TDB is calculated by welded end connection by taking an appropriate section in the member around the end weld, which can be shear off as a block. This is all about the types of failure in tension member. Thank you so much.